Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video here on the Dogecoin. Wanted to do a full updates on the current situation. There's some more bullish momentum in the market right now, as you can see right here, from Bitcoin moving into the main resistance level at 84,000. So that's why I wanted to look at Dogecoin, look at the current situation, and to talk about what's possible, because I know quite a lot of you are still interested in Dogecoin. Personally, I have not traded Dogecoin in some time. I mean, at this point of time, and that's also, look, it's a bit of a blessing and a curse, because I've been telling you that Dogecoin is quite bearish for some time. So most of you were prepared for this downtrend that we have been in. Basically since February, but before that you could have also already said that we were in a downtrend when we broke down below this level right here at 39 cents. So most of you at least expected this, but obviously it's not a great sight. You would far prefer to actually get some bullish momentum, or at least for the price to consolidate, and maybe that's a little bit more boring. But for example, here where the volume was very low here at the start of February, at least the price was holding on relatively well, and we had a chance to break out. Those times were good, but right now we've really turned into a full-blown downtrend, and that's not great. However, we're going to be talking about the possibilities here. What's the most bullish scenario? What's the most bearish scenario? What's the most realistic scenario? And just in general, what's going on now? If we look at Dogecoin right here, first thing you'll see if we look at the volume is that the volume is down about 15%, down to $1.25 billion right now. That's normal. There's nothing wrong with that. I mean, the volume across the markets peaked when we made those bottoms on Tuesday. Dogecoin was also able to hold the bottom right here fairly well, around 15 cents. And I think in general, like the first positive thing I definitely want to say about Dogecoin is that at least right now, I think we have found a far more superior technical support level than we had before. Now, this level right here between 17.5 and 18.5 cents, which is also our main resistance level right now, was quite strong. But now I think in terms of liquidity, we have a little bit more here between 13 and 15 cents, which is our main support level. So that bottom was well defended, but the volume since then has dropped down after we had a brief recovery. And then when we take a look at the open interest here, there's some interesting things going on, I have to say. As you can see, like the open interest is in an uptrend, and that's also with a positive CVD. So there's some leverage coming into price, especially since yesterday evening, but it remains to be seen what actually happens with that. I mean, obviously, there's some shorts coming in as well. But what this basically means is that there's going to be some volatility. The thing is that our main resistance level, like I said before, is this level right here between 17.5 and 18.5 cents. I think with the bullish momentum we're seeing right now, and just in general my expectation for the stock market to also find some support, which will have positive effects for crypto as well, I do think we can keep up this mildly bullish momentum and sentiment. But unfortunately, I have to say that I do not see any reason yet. I mean, the main thing to watch, I always say, and if you watch that, you do not have to watch anything else. But the main thing to watch is volume. All right, if we can actually get some decent volume into the price, 3-4 billion, then I become more positive, and then we can talk about getting a bullish breakout here above the main resistance. But for now, even though I think it's likely that we'll get into that resistance, I think it's most likely that we will drop down from there, reject, consolidate, and then eventually drop back down to 15 cents once Bitcoin gets a rejection as well. But those are my thoughts. I think that's what you need to know on Dogecoin for now. If you do have any questions, of course, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care. I'll see you on my next videos, and bye.